My name is Kshitij, and today we are continuing our Alexa tutorial, and this is chapter 3, Learning Alexa Basics. At this point in your relationship with Alexa, you should have installed Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet, and your Alexa app should be connected with your Amazon account. And if you are using an Alexa device, then your device should be connected with your Wi-Fi network. And congratulations, you are all set to start using Alexa. In this chapter, we are going to learn some crucial basics not only for Alexa but also for Amazon's Echo Smart speakers. And from there, we will learn some most commonly used voice commands. You can have a great Alexa experience on Alexa app, but most of the folks actually prefers using Alexa devices because of its hands-free convenience. But whenever it comes to Alexa devices, there is only one name comes in our mind, that is Amazon's Echo Smart speakers. So before learning some basics of Alexa, let's start learning some basics of your Echo device. So PCs, mobiles and tablets have their internal microphones, but they all share a single characteristic. A similar single characteristic, that is, they all assume that the speaker is relatively close, a few inches, a foot or two. Move much further away and your microphone will have trouble distinguishing your voice from the background noise coming in your environment. And to get an accurate and clear voice recordings, your Echo device actually uses a technology called far field microphone, which is optimized to distinguish your voice coming from any distance. And your Echo's far field microphone uses this technology to accomplish these tasks.
Microphone array. The Echo's microphone is actually an array of 7 individual microphones with 6 microphones arranged around the perimeter, and the 7th microphone is in the center. Using an array of microphones in this way means you can talk to your Echo from any direction. Noise reduction. Detects unwanted audio signals known in the audio trade as noise and reduces or eliminates them. Acoustic echo cancellation. Detects sounds coming from a nearby loudspeaker. Such sounds are known as acoustic echo, even if that loudspeaker is the Echo device itself, and reduces or cancels them to ensure accurate voice recordings. Beamforming. Uses the microphone array to determine the direction your voice is coming from and then uses that directional information to home in on your voice. Barge in. The microphone ignores whatever media the Alexa device is currently playing, such as a song or podcast, so that the microphone can more easily detect and recognize a simultaneous voice command. Speech recognition. Detects the audio patterns associated with the speech and focuses on those patterns instead of any surrounding noises.
Your Echo device built to be a hands-free device, but hands-free doesn't mean hands-off. So there are 4 buttons on your device that you can use to control your device. And here's a summary of the available buttons.
Action. Activates Alexa. That is, pressing the action button is the same as saying Alexa's wake word. Microphone off. Turns off the Echo microphone. When the microphone is off, this button glows red, as does the Echo light ring. Press this button again to turn the microphone back on. Volume up increases the volume. Volume down decreases the volume.
One thing to remember, that not every Echo device comes with all these 4 buttons. When you interact with Alexa, Alexa offers some sort of response, and that means that Alexa is listening you. So there are 4 types of responses. These are:
Voice. You always get a voice-based answer when you ask Alexa a question, but some other Alexa interactions also elicit a voice response. Visual. On devices that have a screen, you almost always see a visual response to a voice command, such as the time if you asked Alexa what time it is, or the current volume level if you asked Alexa to adjust the volume. Sound. Some commands rate only a simple tone or similar sound as a response. On an Echo show, for example, asking Alexa to turn the volume up or down elicits a tone response. Light ring. The Echo and Echo Dot come with a light ring, a circular light around the bottom circumference of the device. This is a surprisingly complex feature that offers no less than a dozen different messages depending on the colors and their movements. Like no light means Alexa is waiting, all blue means Alexa is starting, all blue alternating with all cyan means Alexa has submitted your voice command, all red, the device microphone is turned off, etc.
Sometimes Alexa misinterprets your commands or it doesn't understand what you want it to do. So in that case, you can issue the following requests. So if you have an Echo Show, then you also have a third way to interact with Alexa, that is the touch screen. And here you have two main moves to learn. So Alexa is designed to be as simple as possible and has a shallow learning curve, especially at the start. That's the good news, especially when you are starting with Alexa. It means you only have to learn some few basics of Alexa. The next few sections will tell you what you actually need to know about Alexa. So there are several ways to get an Alexa's attention. Here are the most common ones.
Tap. Use a finger to quickly press and release the screen where desired. This gesture is what you use to initiate just about any action on the device. The tap selects commands, toggle switches on and off, and much more. Swipe. Drag a finger across the screen. For example, drag a finger from the top of the screen down to see the main menu, from which you can return to the home screen. There are several ways to get Alexa's attention, but here are the most common. Say Alexa's wake word. The default wake word is Alexa, but you can change it. Press the action button if your Echo device has one. And in the Alexa app, tap the Alexa button.
Most of the time you interact with Alexa, you interact with intermittent voice commands. And on every voice command, you have to add Alexa at the start. So forget that. Instead, you can put Alexa into the follow-up mode where you can say the wake word once and you can issue multiple commands after that. So follow-up mode is slick, but there are some situations when you cannot enable the follow-up mode. These are some situations.
You have forced Alexa to stop responding by issuing a command to end the conversation, which I describe in the next section. Your Alexa device is playing media, or Alexa cannot be certain that you are speaking to it and not to someone else nearby. So here are the steps to trudge through the enable follow-up mode. In the Alexa app, choose Devices, then Echo and Alexa. The Echo and Alexa screen appears with a list of your Alexa devices. Then tap the device you want to work with. The device settings screen appears. Tap follow-up mode. Then tap the follow-up mode switch to on as shown. The Alexa app updates the device with the new setting.
So Alexa speaks in a conversational mode, not too fast, not too slow. But you can actually control Alexa's speaking rate by issuing the following requests.
Fortunately, you can control Alexa's speaking rate by using the following requests. Alexa, speak faster. Alexa, speak slower. Alexa, speak at your normal rate.
And what about ending the conversation with Alexa? You can use the following commands.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, enough. Alexa, shh. Alexa, cancel. Alexa, thank you. Alexa, sleep.
One of the useful features of Alexa is brief mode, where it gives you short answers than usual. To enable it, follow the following steps.
In the Alexa app, choose Mode, then Settings. Tap Voice Responses. Tap the brief mode switch to on as shown in this figure. The app configures Alexa to use brief mode.
One of the funniest features of Alexa is its whisper mode. So whenever you whisper a request, it whispers a response back to you. How to activate it? Follow the following steps.
The easiest way to enable whisper mode is with a voice request. Alexa, turn on whisper mode. In the Alexa app, choose More, then Settings. Tap Voice Responses. Tap the whisper mode switch. The app configures Alexa to use whisper mode.
And here you can enable multilingual mode for Alexa, where Alexa can make a conversation with you in multiple languages.
The quickest way to enable multilingual mode is to use a voice request. Alexa, speak, and then your language. Alternatively, you can enable multilingual mode using the Alexa app. In the Alexa app, choose Devices, then Echo and Alexa. The Echo and Alexa screen appears with a list of your Alexa devices. Tap the device you want to work with. The device settings screen appears. Tap Language. Tap the language combo you want Alexa to use, such as English or Espanol or English or Francais. The Alexa app asks you to confirm the language change. Tap OK. The Alexa app updates the device with a new language setting.
And now we have some useful Alexa commands. Some everyday info commands. Information requests. Audio commands. Video commands. Alarm and timer commands. Calendar, reminder and list commands. Communication commands. Shopping commands. Smart home commands. So I hope you have enjoyed this chapter, and in next chapter, chapter number 4, we will see how to play media on Alexa. Any questions? Write in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.